How to maintain weight loss and continue the keto lifestyle long-term. Discover 12 types for maintain weight loss and continue the keto lifestyle long-term. Forever Keto. A joyful guide to keeping the weight off and living the low-carb life to the fullest. Congratulations on reaching your weight loss goal on the ketogenic diet. But now, the real challenge begins, maintaining your weight loss and sticking to the keto lifestyle long-term. It's true that keeping the weight off can be harder than taking it off in the first place. However, with the right tools and mindset, you can make the keto lifestyle a permanent part of your life. Here are some tips and tricks to help you maintain weight loss and continue the keto lifestyle long-term. 1. Make healthy foods a permanent part of your life. Eating nutrient-dense, low-carb foods should be a permanent part of your life if you want to maintain weight loss. Eating a variety of healthy foods will not only keep you feeling satisfied but also help you avoid boredom with your meals. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important for overall health and can also help control hunger. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep yourself hydrated and feeling full. 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise is essential for maintaining weight loss. Regular physical activity helps you maintain muscle mass and boost your metabolism. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. 4. Find a workout buddy. If you need a little extra motivation, find a workout buddy or join a fitness group. Staying accountable to someone else can make all the difference. 5. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is a great way to stay on track and motivated. Whether it's with a food diary, a weight tracking app, or simply by taking regular measurements, tracking your progress can help you stay on track and see the results of your hard work. 6. Have fun. Remember, the key to maintaining weight loss and sticking to the keto lifestyle long-term is to make it a fun and enjoyable part of your life. So, don't be afraid to try new recipes, join a cooking class, or take a dance class. The more fun you have with the keto lifestyle, the easier it will be to stick to it. 7. Find a support system. Having a support system can make all the difference in maintaining weight loss and sticking to the keto lifestyle long-term. Surround yourself with people who encourage and support your healthy lifestyle choices. Join a keto support group, either in person or online, to connect with others who are going through the same journey as you. 8. Avoid processed foods. One of the biggest temptations when trying to maintain weight loss is processed foods. These foods are often high in carbs and unhealthy fats, which can quickly undo your hard work. Instead, opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods that are low in carbs and high in healthy fats. 9. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is critical for overall health and can also play a role in weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help regulate your hormones and keep your metabolism functioning properly. 10. Manage stress. Stress can be a major trigger for overeating and can also cause weight gain. Find ways to manage stress in your life, such as meditation, yoga, or exercise. 11. Keep your goals in mind. Remember why you started the keto diet in the first place and keep your weight loss goals in mind. When temptations arise, remind yourself of your reasons for sticking to the keto lifestyle. 12. Celebrate your successes. It's important to celebrate your successes along the way. Whether it's losing a pound or hitting a new personal record in your workouts, celebrate each victory. This will help you stay motivated and inspired to continue your journey. In conclusion, maintaining weight loss and sticking to the keto lifestyle long-term requires effort and discipline, but it's worth it. By following these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of a healthy, sustainable lifestyle and keep the weight off for good. Keep up the good work and never give up on your goals.